In today's video, let's talk about FDA and FTC issues you're likely to face when you invest in a healthcare company that produces health and wellness products. Sounds innocuous enough, doesn't it? I mean, isn't there a huge market for consumer products that have a health, wellness, fitness, or lifestyle component? I mean, this is your passion. Why not just create one? I'm Michael H. Cohen, founding attorney of Cohen Healthcare Law Group. We've advised over 1,000 healthcare industry clients on healthcare and FDA legal issues. Our clients range from healthcare startups to established companies, practitioners in their individual practices, management services organizations, telemedicine companies, digital health, mobile health, e-health, healthcare coming through your glasses, healthcare coming through your watch, healthcare in your teacup. We represent a lot of people with innovative health, wellness, lifestyle, and fitness products, including physical consumer products like gizmos that you put in your pocket perhaps, or that are part of your clothing, or apps that are on your phone or your watch. They're intended to move the needle of your health. Here are 3 things I'd like you to know today. First of all, whenever you bring to market a consumer product that deals with health, wellness, fitness, or lifestyle, you face potential legal exposure from a variety of fronts. A lot of times we hear people going on and on about the evil pharmaceutical companies and how the evil people at these evil companies are out there looking to squash healthcare startups just like them. Yes, E for evil, as in evil pharmaceutical corporation. It's so easy to have a bogeyman, in this case, Big Pharma. I'm not saying that Big Pharma is good, that they're all angels, but having represented both the most genuinely holistic, wholesome healthcare practitioners, including some world-class medical institutions pioneering integrative medicine, as well as healthcare entrepreneurs working to develop a pharmaceutical drug or medical device, I don't believe that just because someone is involved in a medicinal drug, that this necessarily means that they're E for evil. Anyway, now that that's out of the way, let's talk about the real exposure. If it's not Big Pharma, who's out to get you? Well, could be FDA if you make disease claims for your consumer product. FDA may consider your product a new drug or medical device. That is going to multiply your cost to bring to market. Next, there's the FTC, which can get you for false advertising. If your claims are not substantiated by competent and reliable scientific evidence at very high standard as defined under the FTC's rules, then FTC can say that your advertising is false and misleading. The penalties can be substantial. Game over, as they say. And then there are the private plaintiffs, particularly those class action lawyers ever zealous to find a misstep. These lawyers can often take some broadly defined claim from state law, let's say unfair business competition, and allege that consumers were harmed by things they didn't say but should have said, or things that the company did say and didn't quite get right. So I was talking to somebody about this. Let's say that your average customer was only harmed to the tune of $1 or maybe $10 or $100 or $1,000, but then it's a class action and you multiply that times 1,000 plaintiffs, 10,000 plaintiffs, 100,000, you're talking about penalties in millions and millions and millions of dollars. So again, just to wrap this up, the danger is not just big E, evil pharma, the regulatory risks you face from FDA, FTC, and you can also face exposure to private plaintiffs. So when you have your healthcare and FDA lawyer evaluate your marketing claims, evaluate your website, review all of the documents that you have, all of your contracts, then they'll have an eye out for these different sources of exposure. Because a lot of what we healthcare and FDA attorneys do is issue spotting. We want to look and see what's there. We want to look at what the risks are so that we can guide you smoothly through your best, most appropriate risk mitigation steps. Thanks for watching. When you have questions, please give us a shout. Connect with us through CohenHealthcareLaw.com. Go to the contact page to send us a message or book an appointment. Here's to the success of your healthcare venture. We look forward to working with you soon.